Hi, I'm Rebecca, and welcome to Sunday Special Sweets. And today I am going to make apple crisp.
Before the video starts, grab the subscribe button. We are giving away a set of Spurtles. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button, give the video a like, and leave a comment. Once we hit 500 subscribers, we will draw a random winner.
Now, mine's a little different than most, and some of you might know what I'm doing. I don't add oats and brown sugar in that. Mine is just a little different, but I'll show you what I do. Here is 4 cups of apples, and I'm going to put that in my pan. And I use them to keep them from turning brown. I use Sprite or 7-Up or anything that has that type of soda. Could be anything. And I added 1/4 cup of water, and then I'm going to spread over this 1 good teaspoon of cinnamon. And we like cinnamon, so I don't mind using a little extra. My husband and I both enjoy our cinnamon. And then we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we'll just sprinkle that over it like we did. So we're going to put this out of the way. And the next thing we're going to do is take 3/4 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 1/3 cup of butter, and it's softened. And I use regular butter in this. And what we're going to do is mix this around until it's crumbly. And you'll know what it looks like. It's like what you do when you do a pie, is that you mix it around until it resembles little peas. So this might take a few minutes, but we'll get her done. My aunt was the one who does this recipe, my Aunt Jackie, and she makes the best apple crisp, and I loved it.
They're not eating that.
Huh?
They're not eating it. Why are they kidding?
Yeah, you're eating it. Something you shouldn't be eating, but okay. I have my oven on 350, and what you're going to do is start spreading this out. Try to get my apples in even. There's my oven, and just in time. And we're going to put it in the oven. Now, this was a recipe my mother copied, and I have to laugh. There isn't a time on it. It just says 350. So we'll start out with a half hour, and I'll look at it. You want the apples tender. So that's where we'll start it, at least 30, 35, maybe 40 minutes. And then we'll be back. Thanks. Hi, we're back with our apple crisp. Took me about 50 minutes to bake this at 350. I was looking online, and some of the other places raised the temperature and lowered it, lowered the time, but I didn't. I went ahead and cooked mine like it said. And you can see it's thick and it's rich. And those apples, everything's going through. When you make this, don't forget to cut your apples all about the same size. That also helps, and that's what I made sure I did. I sat down and peeled my apples and made sure that they were even. Now you can serve this with ice cream, whipped cream, or just plain like we're gonna have it. And it's got to cool off. It's pretty hot right now, just taking it out of the oven. I'll let it cool down. Thank you for joining me on this Sunday special sweets. And I say that because it's hard to say. Anyway, I'll see you next time in my kitchen. Bye.